Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you AI Genius software review. So what actually is AI Genius? Guys, AI Genius is the world's first interactive AI app that turns any website, blog, funnel, page, e-commerce store or marketplace into an interactive lead and sales machine by using AI video messaging, voice messaging and screen capturing, all by copying just one line of code. Guys, creator of this beautiful software AI Genius, Sei Adeleke. Sei Adeleke is one of the best software creator on Warrior Plus Marketplace, and this software goes live on 5th of July 10 a.m. EST. Right now, I'm in the sales page of this software AI Genius. Transform your business to the future with just one line of code using this software AI Genius. How actually works this software, guys? I'm going to show you full demo about this software AI Genius, and I'm going to show you everything that no one can share with you, and you will get inside the members area of this software AI Genius full tutorials how actually use this software and how to generate sales. Okay guys, and they will provide 30 days money back guarantee, and this software works 4 simple steps to work this software. Actually, step number 1, login. This is the members area of this software. This is the members area. And step number 2, generate. Select your widget and customize it to your liking with zero coding. And step number 3, install. Just copy one line of code and you are done. AI Genius works with any platform. This is very interesting. Features will provide this software AI Genius, guys. This is the widget you can see when your customers click here on this widget, and this pop-up will open, and your customer provide the information like video message, audio message. Your customer will able to send you, and also your customer obviously add their information like email and a name. Step number 4, you will be able to make this type of money if you use this software properly. I'm going to show you how you can use this software properly and what you will get inside the members area. I'm going to show you everything, guys, so stay tuned. And this software will provide lots of bonuses. I will give you also $2,375 bonuses. Here is all of my bonus bundle that I will give you totally free if you purchase this software through via my link in my video description below. Guys, honestly speaking, I'm as an affiliate, I promote this software AI Genius. If you purchase this software through via my link, I will get a small commission, but don't overcost you. These commissions help me create free available video like this one. And guys, AI Genius, all the information I'm going to show you right now. I'm going to show you quick demo, then I'm going to show you all the pricing and OTOs, so please don't skip this video. So at first, let's see that demo.
Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how AI Genius works. So once you are logged in, the first thing you have to do is to click on widget and click on add widget to create your widget. So you input your widget name, okay, then you input the display name right here, interact with us. You select your widget type, dialog, add widget. Great, and your widget will be created like this. So right here you can customize everything. Okay, you can change the button text to interact with us, or any text that you want. You can select the button position, okay, the button color, right, then you click on save button, and as you can see, it's changing right here. Okay, you can also customize other widget settings, the widget name, the display name, the welcome message. Okay, then you can input your email address right here, so you can set up if you want to get the customer's name and email, and click on save. Alright, So right here you can input your widget title. Welcome to our website. Okay, then you put in your thank you message here, and right here you can specify the maximum recording duration. Okay, if you want to be 60 minutes or whatever you want. So you specify your widget color right here. Okay, so then the font type, we have different font type. You can select the font style right here. The icon as well, you can input your widget icon here and click on save. Alright, you can also connect your email autoresponder to your widget. Alright, you can connect Aweber, Mailchimp and GetResponse to your widget. And now the last thing you have to do is to copy your embed code and paste it on your website. So you have to copy this and paste it before the body tag on your website, store, blog or funnel. So let me show you how that works. So this is my website, okay, and I would like to convert this website to an interactive sales and lead machine. Okay, so to do that, copy this code and paste it before the body tag and click on save. Then go to your website and reload. And as you can see right now, the interactive widget is now showing on your website, and your customers and audience can click on it to interact with you and send you a live interactive video message, voicemail and screen recording. Okay, so now they select the media. We have the voice and the video, and click on start recording, and you can choose between the video recording and the screen recording. Hello, this is AI Genius, and you input your name here and your email address. Okay, and click on send to send your interactive message to the vendor, to the merchant or to the website owner. Amazing, your message has been received, and you can also click here to create another recording. So you select the media, screen recording, and you select what you want to share audio, share. Okay, so right now you can record the part of the screen, okay, and share and send to the vendor. Okay, I would like to buy this product. May I get the full details about what this cover? All right, thank you. So then you can stop it and send to the vendor. So you put in your name here and your email address here, and click on send to send your message to the website owner. So the screen capture message has been sent, and then you can also record and send voicemail. You can send voice message directly on the website. Hello. So, and the name is going to be here, and your email address right here, and click on send. It will be delivered to the website owner. Now, anytime a customer sends you a message, you're going to receive an email notification like this. And you can always go to your AI Genius to see the message. You can see the inbox, the sent, the bookmark, and the library. So all your inbox message is going to show up right here. And you can always click here to play the message like this. Can you see? So you can pause it. You can also play the screen recording. You can see it right here. And at the same time, you can always click here to reply to the message directly, You can also reply to your customers' message and interact with them live. So you can send the video message, the voice message as well too. So you can see. And input your name here and your email address right here and click on send, and your customer is going to receive your response. So as you can see, AI Genius is a powerful software, a powerful interactive AI software that allows you to turn any website, store or blog into an interactive sales and lead machine, and accept live video messages. You can see voice recording, screen recording, etc. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Okay, my friend, I hope you fully understand about this software AI Genius. Very easy to use this software AI Genius. So this is 100% legit software. So you can purchase it. This is my recommendation. Okay. Also, you can check out all the information. Consider the link in my video description below. This is the world's first app that gives you real-time communication with your customers. Skyrocket your sales and leads by copying just one line of code. You already understand what I am saying. And the price $16, almost $17 of the front end price. Right now, I'm just quickly introduce all the pricing of this software. Here is all the funnels, guys. The front end offer is $17, $16.95, almost $17, the front end price. And OTO number one is unlimited access they will provide if you purchase OTO number one, $67 price. OTO number two, done for you options they will provide. You can see the done for you options inside the members area. If you purchase this software, OTO number two, $297. These all OTOs are one-time payment, guys. No monthly or recurring fees here. This is the one-time payment software, okay? And OTO number three is automation, $47. OTO number four is Swift Profits, $47. OTO number fifth, limitless traffic, $67. OTO number six, agency, $127. OTO number seven, franchisee edition, $197. This is all the OTO of this beautiful software AI Genius. Okay, guys, I hope you understand about this software AI Genius, and I hope you understand how much this software. Okay. And guys, right now I'm going to show you all the bonuses, the vendor bonuses, the say Adeleke bonuses. This is the real customer review about this software, guys. They are beta testers and they make money using this software. Why you not? You can also make money if you use this software properly, and you can use the code AI Genius, any kind of platform like ClickFunnels, Wix, Shopify, Convertri, WordPress, System, any other platform, guys, no problem. Just copy this code on body section of your template of your page of your funnels, whatever you want to use this code actually. Okay, and right now I'm just quickly scrolling. I'm just scrolling and down of the page. Okay, I'm going to show you the bonuses that provided the vendor. Okay, this is very powerful software, guys, and very easy to use. You already understand. Okay, and your customer will be able to easily interaction via your software and using, if you use this software AI Genius. Okay, guys, here is all the bonuses, big bonus you can see. AI Genius 6-figure in 60 days live event. Bonus number one. Bonus number two, AI Genius VIP website builder. Bonus number three, AI Genius traffic booster. Bonus number fourth, AI Genius social media automation. Bonus number fifth, the final bonus, AI Genius internet marketing gold mine. And guys, this is my bonus. You can see $2,375 value bonuses that I will provide it totally free if you purchase this software through our link in my video description below. Here is all of my software marketing materials that I will give you totally free. You can also give away these bonuses for promote your offers. Okay, and you can also sell it, guys. 21 high quality professional written ebooks that I will provide. And if you have any problem to receiving your bonuses, you can email us. Our email is here. I will send you bonuses, guys, so you have got nothing to lose. I hope, guys, you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment and share this video with your friends and family who actually struggling to generate traffic, generate sales. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Stay safe. Thank you. See you soon my next video.